Hey, I'm Dr. McKay of Core Health in Darien, and today I'm going to talk to you about spinal decompression. We've done a series of these little YouTube videos on spinal decompression, and today I'm going to share with you my story, which is I call it my hair club for men story. I'm a client too, as they say on TV. But what happened was I actually had a bad back myself. And it's kind of tough when you're in this business to actually go around with a bad back and help other people with bad backs. But the fact of the matter is, I did have a bad back, and I hurt myself changing a tire on my wife's car. And then I came to work the next day and did a treatment on a patient. And what we do here is pretty physical. And we have to move body parts around. And boy, did I do a number on my own back. And what happened at that time is I really didn't get any better using standard treatments. Believe me, I tried physical therapy, I tried exercise. As a matter of fact, one of the problems when that happened was I was not able to exercise. So I put the poundage on pretty quickly, which is kind of tough because then you feel even worse and you want to exercise even less. So I think, the one thing it's taught me is to have a lot of empathy for patients coming in here with back pain because I've been there several times in my life. And what happened at that point in time in the hair club for men story was I got frustrated. I would go to other chiropractors. I would go to physical therapy. I would go to massage therapy, pills, and nothing was really working. And it's kind of tough when you're at that point because nothing worked. And it wasn't I'm that type of person who just gives up. I'm going to keep trying, and continue to try to get some kind of result. So what I ended up doing was one day I'm in my office. And this is the God's honest truth. A salesman comes in, and he was targeting larger practices, which I have. And he said to me, he goes, I have this great machine, and I'm going like, yes. He tells me it costs about $135,000 for the machine, and 13, 14 years ago, it still is a large sum of money, but it was even more so at that point in time. So I kind of pushed the guy away. Like he explained the machine to me about how it decreases pressure within the disc space. I mean, it sounded good. I was just not ready to drop $135,000 on a piece of equipment. But as I was shooing him out my door, what he said to me was, he goes, well, how about I leave with you for a month and you try it on your worst cases? Now, I'm going to admit, this is very selfish of me, but I was really thinking of my own back, having tried what I felt to be just about everything else. And so I agreed, and they basically, I signed, I signed that I return it, I would insure it, give it back to them in the same shape they sent it. And they shipped this machine up from Florida. They trained our entire staff how to use it, all different protocols, and I got on the machine. And it was, I didn't get better right away. It took about 4 to 5 weeks. But, when I did get better, it was a serious change in the pain. I would say I probably, at the end of 6 weeks, about 85% better, which is pretty good coming from where I was because I was now able to start exercising. And what happened was that extra 15% of the pain was gone as I was able to exercise more, especially more effectively, because I wasn't limited by the lower back issue. So that is my hair club for men story, and I did keep the machine. Turns out we were the fifth person in the country, or fifth office in the country to take delivery. I was fortunate enough to meet the inventor, Dr. Norman Shealy, and I gotta say it was a fantastic. It's been fantastic because I can help so many people, and I'm continuing to help people, and it's an effective adjunct to what we do here because low back pain is prevalent in our society, and it's great that we can help people on so many different levels because we do offer massage, we do offer therapy, we do offer deep tissue work, Groston work that goes all hand in hand with this type of with a back issue. So what I'd ask you to do is if you have any questions, you could contact us on the links below. I'd love to hear from you, and I will get back to you. And thanks for your time. Once again, I'm Dr. Brian McKay of Core Darien. Thanks very much.